means I will brief. Okay, I will give a briefing. Something like maybe 5 or 10 minutes to 35 or 40. You will start the test. But before that, I will brief you like what you need to do. And so this is your timing because I already set the online test time. So right, okay. So don't simply click into it because when you click into it, it's still it start countdown the timing, right? Time of limit of 1 hour. The test will save and submit automatically when the time expired. Let's say you didn't complete it, right? But it was auto save and make sure you complete within the time, right? So I already allocate for your group and the other group. Yeah. S1, G4, and S2, G9. Same group, I mean, same timing, right? So you close, okay, they will automatically submit. You answer directly because I set in the Google form. So yeah, so you just submit directly, answer the question. So it's quite a simple question actually if you go through all the lecture notes and practical tests. Okay, so practical, weekly practical. So today we go to the week 4, right? Take note, I forgot to include another. You got 2 data set. You're going to use 2 data set for this tutorial, for this practical class. So week 4 here. Okay. Actually, it's 1 hour plus minus lah. Okay. So for this tutorial, I will show you step by step because your assignment. So I think basically today I will try to cover maybe question. We got 7 questions. I might cover until maybe question 3 or 4. Okay. Right. So download the data set already. So break down person salary by various categorical variable. All right. So remember last week, right? First thing before you perform and know what is your data type. Is it categorical or numerical, right? So from here, you got person salary. Salaries is a numerical, right? Can look at the data. Salary is numerical here. And gender opinion. Okay, gender opinion, correct data. This is a bank salary, right? Oh, sorry. Questionnaire data. Questionnaire data. Questionnaire data is here. Okay, so this is questionnaire data. Right. So questionnaire data, you have salary is numerical, and then you have the gender is categorical, right? Male, female. Opinion also categorical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But it's one represents strongly disagree, two disagree, so this is considered categorical. Okay, so we want to break down salary. That means the salary is numerical. We want to create a table, right? Salary by gender, salary by opinion. That means two variable. And then by creating summary measures. So when this is some in more median and so on, right? So we're going to calculate. That means we're going to calculate. Let's say example, gender got male and female, right? Means you want to calculate the salary for male, the salary for female separately. Okay, so salary measures you can calculate mean salary for the male, mean salary for the female, or you calculate median salary for the male, median salary for the female. So you must understand the questions. Okay, so let me open the raw data first. Okay, this is a raw data. Okay, sorry, this one. Okay, so we can use there are two methods. Okay, there are two methods to calculate. So the count if function, right? But here count if is count how many. But here, let's say we want to calculate. Okay, we want to calculate the, the salary for male. Okay, the average salary for the male, the average salary for the female. Then we can use the function. Okay, if function. If function is to select if. Okay, when you can't equal if it's a logical test, value is true, value is false. So you if function, okay, let's say if I want to select gender is male or gender is female, this is called logical test, right? Okay. So I will step by step, okay? So we're going to create this table. Okay, so what I want you to do now, we'll do step by step. Huh? You can go beside here. Lah. Then you just type this one, just okay. This one I show the step. Lah. Okay, I will show you. Okay, now you create this table first. Okay, give you 1 minute. Type this. Okay, just type this. If you got any question, you just unmute yourself, ask me. Okay, so 1 minute done. Right. Right. So I want you pay attention first. Don't do one time. Then you can write down the step. Then second, delete. Then do it. Right. So step one is use formula method. Okay. So remember I mentioned we want to calculate the mean is equal average. Okay. So usually you type equal average, you just need to highlight the average value, right? For okay, I want to calculate the salary, right? But I want to filter out. I want to only if set the condition for the meal only because this is meal, right? So I have to set the condition if, okay, bracket if. So average for the condition if gender, right? This is male, right? So gender is here. Okay. So if gender is here, equal male. Okay. If gender equal male, my condition, right? Salary. Okay. So you write down the step first. Okay. You write down the step. So you can see, I want to calculate mean. Mean is average. Okay. But I want to calculate for male, right? So I set condition if gender equal male. Then the second one, salary. But remember this one, we want to lock the value. Usually we'll lock the value. So click here. Yeah, you can insert dollar sign, right? For everyone. Because after that, we want to drag the formula. I when you don't want to type repeat again, you just copy paste the formula, change it, right? Yeah. Okay. So first you write the step, average equal average because we want to calculate mean. Let's say for second one you calculate median, then this one you change to median. Okay. So the condition, let's say I want to calculate male, then I write gender equal male. This one. If I want to calculate for female, then I just change. I just change the bracket. I need to close one bracket. You see, if bracket. So this one average also bracket. So I have two bracket here. Okay. So you write down the formula first. You must understand the formula. Okay. All right. Any question? You got any question? Please unmute yourself. Right. Actually, it's not difficult, right? The first one you see what you mean, then this is me, right? And then I want to calculate for male, right? So I have to set condition. So if gender is equal male, okay? So what I want to calculate, I want to calculate the average, right? Mean, average for the salary. So the last part is what I want to calculate, okay? And then don't put my note here. After key in formula, press Control Shift Enter. This one, like, press I ask. Show you how you have to hold Control Shift down at the same time. That means your left hand Control Shift, right hand you press down to highlight the column. But here, left hand Control Shift, right hand enter at the same time. So see, I demo first, Control Shift enter. So when I click Control Shift enter, you can see it will appear curly bracket. You can see curly bracket here. Then I only go what I control shift enter, then you can see the answer, then you go down. If you just enter, you don't get the answer. Take note. Okay. Okay or not? You want me to repeat or not for this formula? If you want me to repeat, then you put thumbs down. If you get this formula, okay, everything, then you can do yourself thumbs up. If you want me to repeat, thumbs down. Okay, I repeat. So you understand the formula already, right? Okay, let me delete it. Okay, firstly, this is mean. Mean we use. Okay, now you follow the step. And then we want for the, so I have to set the condition. That's why I say if it's for condition, right? So type in bracket. Okay, what is condition? I want the mean I have to set gender equal male. So gender equal male. Male is this one. And make sure you type follow exactly. I forgot to say one thing. If capital M, follow capital M. If small m, small m. Here I must follow exactly. If let's say the coding male is 1, you must follow 1 here. Okay. So the condition set already, comma. What we want to calculate, the value is true. We want to calculate what? We want to calculate salary. Okay, so highlight salary. And then cross two bracket. Okay, two bracket. Cross two bracket. Okay, before we use Control Shift Enter, we need to log this value. Okay. F4. Why I need to log this value? Because later, to make our life easy, I just copy paste and then change to female, change to median and so on. So you don't need to like retype every time you highlight like this. Okay, so make sure formula all correct. Control Shift Enter. Okay, try do it. Okay, I give you like 2 minutes. Do it. Male for female average. Okay, try first. I want you to try first. So 2 minutes still cannot get. Then maybe someone, yeah, I will get you step by step. Right. So as I mentioned, once you get this formula correct, you just copy paste. And then this is female, right? I just changed female. I just changed this part to female. Female is what? M. This one is L, right? Now I just change M. See, my life's so easy. Okay, give it 2 minutes. Okay, try. So you can get the first one. Okay? Anyone cannot get it? Anyone cannot get it? Anyone want me to guide? Don't be shy. Anybody want me to guide? So if you get both average value for male, female, then you just put thumbs up. Hmm? So you all get it or not get it? So you can put thumbs up if you get it. Can you share your screen? Can you share your screen? Then I can guide you. Okay, are you sharing? Okay, one by one. Okay, can you, let me see. Yeah, I want to see your formula. Okay, average if then gender equal male, comma. Okay, Control Shift Enter, not Enter. Okay, you go to then Control Shift Enter already, right? Your formula is shown here already. Control Shift Enter should be correct. H1X. H1 is 2. Okay, okay, you delete this formula. Retype again. Control Shift down, comma, equal. cross bracket. Okay, can you click at the triangle, the arrow there? Show what? Divide by 0. Why you don't divide by 0? Is that on this arrow? Second one. On this arrow. Don't show anything. Wait, Wait, so weird. Go to the female. Try it for the female. Because now the formula show divide 0. Also don't know why I got divide 0 there. Mm-hmm. Actually, how you create this table? Okay, you just simply type in the any blank one, any blank below the range below. Or you go to you go to J3 J. You type the formula again. Equal average bracket if bracket your gender. Repeat. You don't click here. You click inside the. You click equal to C2. Cross bracket. Cross bracket. Try Control Shift down. Control Shift Enter. Then point down. Arrow go to down. Go to J3. The cell. No. Just click another cell. This cell K2 K1. Now the answer appear right. You got the answer right. But I don't know what's wrong. How you create this table? So now you can get answer. I'm not sure how you create the table just now. Yeah, you get the answer now. Okay, where you copy this table? Is it you copy from somewhere? Okay, so you see when you type this one, you should be get correct one. Is it you copy from somewhere the solution? Maybe they have existing formula already. So you don't copy from another table. I think copy from they got existing formula there. Okay. So you just repeat. Okay, just repeat the. Okay, let me show you again. So it means it's average function, right? As I mentioned, yeah, the measures and then if the condition. So I put dollar sign to fix the value. I no need to type it every time, right? So for the female, I just change to female value here, right? So let's say I want to calculate male. I just copy back here, right? I just change this average to median. All right, once I change to median, what should you do? Cannot press enter. Remember, after key in formula, press Control Shift Enter. Control Shift Enter. So I get the median salary for male. So if I want to get for the female, so I copy the formula from the female here, right? Because I already fixed the value. So it will copy exactly the same one, right? You see the formula won't change. But I changed the function here. I have to change to median. I want to calculate median. So I change to median and then con. Okay. So just repeat the same step. Okay. Copy paste. Okay. You can paste everything here and just change to the measures here. So this is mean. Then you just change to mean, minimum. So you see what I change bracket were missing. When a curly bracket missing means you need to redo the calculation. That means you have to press, okay, shift enter. Okay. So you see my note here clearly step by step. This one maximum. So I just change to and then the rest same, Control Shift Enter. Standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation. Let's change to stdev.s. Okay, Control Shift Enter. Range. Okay, range, because range is maximum minus minimum, right? So I just put the stdev.s. Okay, so this one minimum maximum just follow exactly, right? So range is the maximum minus minimum. Okay, quite straightforward, right? Okay, I give you maybe 5 to 10 minutes complete this part. Okay, 10 minutes and complete the. This is method one. Later I'll show method two, right? Because you have to break down person salary by various for gender and also opinion. So for the opinion as well, you repeat the same step. Okay, that means you type the table. Okay, you type the table, you get answer like this. Okay, repeat the same step. If you know how to do for the gender, then for, for opinion should be no problem. I have to paste. Okay, give you 10 minutes, 10:40 now until 10:50. Okay, any questions? Anyone got question? Feel free to ask me. So please complete this one using calculate using the formula. Okay. Any questions? Anyone got question? Anyone cannot get answer? Anybody? Okay, I just randomly call someone to share. Right on the track, doing nothing. Right. Okay, I just simply call someone. Uh, Loli Lan. Can you just share screen? Loli Lan. Loli Lan. Yeah, can you just share screen? This iPad cannot share. Xiu Chen Xi. Xiu Chen Xi. Never mind, just share until what you do. Then you're not sure, I can try then. Xiu Chen Xi. Uh, yeah, wait, your screen is, where your screen like this one? Okay, right. Can you click into the formula? Any formula. Yeah, just click into it and see your formula correct. Okay, average if, then you use F2, then the K correct, and then salary is H. Okay, correct, correct, correct. Actually, quite straightforward, right? Once you type the formulas correct, change the opinion, right? That means the condition, right, equal, yeah. For the column opinion one, you just change to the one there. Then if, yeah, average, then use average. Okay, you click the second one, median. Median means you use median, right? Mm. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So this is using Excel function. Okay, this is using Excel function. So now I'm going to show you use pivot table function. Okay. Share first. Okay. So I have shown you how to use the Excel function, right? The formula. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to use the pivot table functions. So if you use pivot table function, okay, let me show step by step. Go to your data. Go to your data. Okay. Pivot table, remember we have to highlight the whole data set. Right. Highlight the whole data set. Okay. Step by step. Highlight the whole data set. And then insert pivot table. Okay. Just click pivot table. Okay. From table and just click OK lah, because we want to the new spreadsheet. So this one only choose table market charts, right? Just the table, all right? So if you use pivot table function, you use gender and salary, right? So let's say we use gender first, okay? You can drag gender to the row, okay? Drag gender to the row, okay? And then drag salary, salary to values. Can you see? This one, you only get the sum of the salary. Let's say one average. Go value setting. Change to average. Change to average. Okay, then click OK. So you get this. You click up and it's do it. Then it show this one. That means you put a row is gender. And the values you choose salary, but you change to average. So you can compare to just now we use the formula, same answer, right? Same answer. Okay. let's say you put gender under row. No, I didn't say must put under row. You can put under column. You move to the column. So when you move to the column, the gender is by column, right? So can you see? You can get same answer also. Okay. So doesn't matter you want to gender in the row. Okay. So for your assignment, as I mentioned, assignment will cover like your week 3, week 4. I mean, what you learn in week 3, week 4, week 5, the following week, right? So you can present this way, or you can use like just I show you use formula to calculate. Okay, 4 to 5 measures. So just now we calculate. You see, we calculate so many mean, median, minimum, maximum, standard. Let's say we want to calculate this one from the pivot table. So how to calculate? Can you click into it? So this one you only calculate average. Let's say I want to add one more. So you drag salary, go to so it becomes sum again, right? Original is sum, right? So you see this sum, go to value setting again. So you change this time. Let's say you want minimum value. Okay, change to minimum value. Okay, let's say I want maximum. So again, you drag. Okay, can drag down. Just change the seat. This one is what minimum. Okay, so range you can arrange here. Okay, this one sum I change to maximum. Okay, so I got a maximum. So we need to show at least 4 or 5. So let's say I want to continue again. I want to add one more. So I drag again. I put here. Okay. So let's say I put beside here. So you say average. This all right. If I want to change the sequence, you just drag here. Okay, just drag from here. So let's say this one sum I want to change to standard deviation. Sum change to standard deviation. So you read the question. If the question didn't mention your budget, then you can just choose at least 4 to 5. So let's say I choose standard deviation. Okay, so this is standard deviation. So you can present like this 4, or okay, let's say I want one more 5. So you drag, then you put again like this. Okay, so at least 4 or 5, that means at least minimum. So if you give 6 or 10, you still get the same marks, right? So at least you have 4. If you get 3 or 2, then you got minus mark, right? So after this, you can rename it. So you just want to, you just rename here. Okay. So this standard deviation, this is a minimum, maximum example. Okay. So this is your results, the breakdown. So this one you can see, this is a breakdown, salary, right? And okay. Can you see the difference here? Here you have to manually calculate, right? Here you use pivot table. Pivot table more efficient. You need to type one by one, right? But pivot table is limited measures. Some measure they don't have, right? Okay. Let's say you want to repeat breakdown salary for opinion like just now, right? Okay. So I just change by opinion. Okay. So to make our life easy, you can just copy and paste, right? So gender just change to opinion, right? So this gender you drag it back, okay? Then change to opinion, opinion, or you want opinion label also can, right? Because you opinion label. So we got label. If you use opinion, it's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see automatically get it. Right. It's very efficient. So here I use opinion label. If you use opinion, it show 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 is like strongly disagree, and so on, right? Okay, so any questions up to here? Can you create using pivot table like this? Okay, any questions? Anyone got questions? Yeah, please try this pivot table. This pivot table is very useful, especially for your assignment, right? I think today I need cover question 1 and question 2. So I don't want, like, so plus question 3 is another data set, right? So I just use this one data set. Okay, any questions? So far, any questions? To hear any questions? Okay, maybe I give you 5 minutes to complete this one. Then I will go to the question. Question 2. Okay, now I will go to question 2. Okay, until 11. Any question, just unmute and ask. So also the attendance I record, I mean, I tune based on my records. So based on this meeting record attendance, right? So make sure you don't leave too early. No questions? Okay, if no question, I will continue. Question two, the plots, right? Hey, if you read that question two, correct side by side box plot of salary by gender is on the box plot. Is there any outliers? So what is means by side by side? Because you have, that means gender, you should have like two box plot. I mean, in one box plot, you have two, male and female. Opinion is five, right? It's category, right? So it should have five box plot there, right? In one chart, okay? In one chart. This is what I mean. And then any missing value, okay? Any missing value. Okay, so now we're going to create the box plot. Okay, so we want to create the box plot for salary, not the only the salary, right? All the salary, right? Not the average, median, mean, and so on. So we want all. Okay, so let's go to the data. That means we only need, let's say, the gender and salary. That means you only need these two columns, this column C and column H. Okay, so we want the salary as a column Y. So we need to highlight this column. Okay, so highlight salary, include the header, highlight salary, include the header. Okay, press Control, Control key, hold the Control key, and then highlight the gender. Can you see? You only highlight these two columns. Can or not? Try. Can you highlight these two columns only? You must highlight the salary first, must salary first. Then only gender. Okay. So after you highlight these two, insert recommended charts or charts box and this scope. Okay. So you get this chart. Can or cannot? Can you get it? If you can get the plot, you just put thumbs up. If you cannot get, then put thumbs down. Most of you can get it right. Do you want me to show again? Yeah, thumbs up, right? Okay, good. So you rename her, then the assist and so on. Okay, library. So you get something like this. Okay, so you got a chart like this. Then comment. So for the salary opinion as well, you highlight salary and then control highlight opinion. Okay, then make a comment. So comment here, any outliers? No outliers, right? You don't see any outliers here. Here also, no outliers. Even the further comment, you can comment, this line is represent median, right? The cross is represent the mean. So from here, you can compare the median and the mean. So the male is lower. The median value for the female is higher. Or you can compare the mean value. The male is lower, or you can say female has higher median and mean salary than female. So can, right? But the question here just ask comment on the outliers, right? Any outliers? So you just comment there's no outliers as it based on both plot, both graph. Okay. But if you want to, let's say the question asks you comment on the box plot only. Yeah, besides the outlier, you can comment the mean, the describe, right? Yeah, assignment. Yeah. So from here you can see the this one the highest one, right? So neutral have the highest mean salary. Okay, the lowest. Usually we look at median value here. So median, this is the lowest one, right? See, the rest is here. This one the lowest. So those people who have strongly agree, okay, they have the lowest salary. Any questions? Any questions? Yeah, this is only two questions. Yeah, I think I only go through these two questions because question 3, 4, 5 use another data set, right? So any questions before I end the class? So if no question, I will end the class, right? So take note, your next class is S1, G4, Thursday. Yeah, Thursday we will continue. So you can try qualify using a bank salary data set, right? Okay. So any questions? So if no question, I end the class now. Then I'll see you next lesson on Thursday. We can start if you don't want too early. I'm not boss. Maybe we can start like maybe because I think quite fast we can finish. We, we start our class because 8 o'clock usually. Quite a number of you. You understand? Okay, let me see on Thursday. Thursday actually, yeah, we can start late lah. You want start late? Thursday maybe we can start what time? 8:30, 9 o'clock also can. It's quite fast one. 8:45. 8:45 because only three questions. Wait, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we're using one data set. One. Okay, we start 8:45. Okay, we start 8:45. So just inform the classmate. 8:45 on time start. All right. Thank you. Bye.